Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I will talk about the ClickBank affiliate marketing. This will be very powerful video. Don't skip the video, watch all the steps. This will be very powerful video. I will be telling you the free traffic source. Okay, the free traffic source which we have never heard about that. All right, I will tell you the best converting offer and where to promote that offer. Okay, so don't skip the video. See, you need to come to this website, clickbank.com. If you have any other account, you can use that too, clickbank.com. Okay, once you register, over here marketplace, you need to search Facebook. When you type Facebook, click over here, search. When you do this, you will get this page. Okay, see, there's an offer which has been converting very well, and I have been noticing that offer. Take advantage of that offer, and the best part of it is it's a recurring billing. Every month you will be getting paid $45.99. That means close to $46 you will be getting paid. Okay, and initial conversion is $23.42. This is the offer. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, it's been on ClickBank more than 10 years. Okay, everyone wants to get paid to be on Facebook. All right, so this is the best offer. Everything is mentioned clearly on this. It's a recurring product. All right, it's a recurring product. Gravity is also very good, 298.16. So what we will do, we will just promote this product. We'll just click on promote. We will get our affiliate link. Okay, this is the step one. Everyone knows that. Now, where we will be promoting this, we will be promoting to this offer to one of the best free website known as freeadstime.org. Okay, don't skip the video thinking the old method. Okay, I'll tell you the all the secret strategies. Okay, how to promote this offer. Stick to this video till the end. All right, see, you can post free ad on this website, and you can post USA, Canada, Europe, Asia, Africa, everywhere you can promote this. See, everyone is in need of work from home jobs. Okay, you need to promote your offer to more and more people so that it gets more and more eyeballs. Okay, this is the best free ads time classified website. See, create an account, post an ad over here, create an account. It is very free. Okay, it's totally free. See, you can promote, as I said, USA, Canada. You just need to select the area and you can promote this ad. Once you click over here, post an ad, the form will open and you need to write these lines. Get paid to work from home, $500 weekly, no prior experience needed. If interested, kindly apply here. Okay, and this will be your affiliate link. This will be your affiliate link after this. So take advantage of this website. Okay, and promote everywhere. It's all free, and at the time of checkout they would just charge you $4 to $5. I would recommend you to pay and get the paid version also, so that your ad will be live for 30 days at very cheap cost. Okay, otherwise if you don't have money, go for the free method. The second is, the second website is one of the best websites, which is no one is promoting on this website, dallas.craigslist.org. DALLAS, dallas.craigslist.org. This is the website. You need to come over here and drop down the cursor. Over here you can see resumes. Click over here, resumes. You will get this page. See, you will get this page over here in the search bar. You need to write jobs. Okay, in the search bar you need to write jobs. When you click on jobs, you will get all those people who are looking for work from home jobs. You will get all the list of those people who are looking for work from home jobs. See, I need a job ASAP. I'm in need of work. I have a used to 55 is looking for hauling job, skilled labor job, looking for work in Texas. See, these are all jobs looking for same day pay jobs. Are you seeing? Okay, hard worker, dependable, and ready to work. So we need to take advantage of this website. There is very less competition and no one is promoting. Okay, suppose we will click. Suppose we will click over here. I'm in need of remote personal assistant. Click over here. The next page will be open. See, I'm in need of remote personal assistant. See, what you need to do. You need to message him. Just click over here, reply, and automatically it will catch your Gmail. Okay, so you will send this Message in your Gmail, get paid to work from home. As I said, $500 weekly. No prior experience needed. If interested, kindly apply here. This will be your affiliate link. Okay. When you click over here, reply, next page will be open. Automatically, it will take your Gmail address and you will just send this message. Okay. You need to send this message to more and more people. See, they are highly targeted traffic. They are looking for work from home jobs, virtual assistant jobs, remote jobs. Not only you can type here jobs, you can also type work from home. You can also type personal assistant. Okay, there's different keywords so that you get the maximum benefit of this website. It's all free. It's hardly take less than 1 hour to send the message to 50 people. Okay, 50 people you are getting free of cost, and that too highly targeted US traffic. So take advantage of this website. You can easily make enough money and it will be a passive income. One sale a day will get you easily $30. And if you make five sales, $150 easily, and it will be your passive income every time. The more they join, the more it will be become your monthly income. So take advantage of this website. The first one I told you, freeadstime.org. This is the one. Promote your offers on these area: USA, Canada, Europe, Asia. Don't take this lightly. These websites exist because they are getting the traffic. Otherwise, they would be closed. Okay. See, Alabama, Illinois, New York, Alaska, these are all the states where you can promote your affiliate link. And trust me, that offer is converting very well. It's a high quality traffic source. I mean, it's high quality offer. The gravity is 298.16. So take advantage of this offer and promote freeadstime.org plus on dallas.craigslist.org. I have told you the way. Now it is up to you. If you focus and implement the strategy, definitely you will get tremendous results. Okay. Third website you can also take. This is giganticlist.com. This is the website. Okay. They receive USA traffic mostly. And see, you can also promote over here Australia, Malaysia, UAE, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, New Zealand. Everyone is in need of work from home jobs. So take advantage of this website. See, it's all about traffic. The more traffic you get, the more chances of getting sales and leads. So take advantage of this. See, Gigantic List Classifieds is the website name. Publish your ad. It's all free of cost. And under the jobs category, you need to promote your offer. I hope you got my point. What I'm trying to say, it's not a rocket science to